Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, SG Riders. If you love electric scooters, delivery bikes, and money-saving rides, then this video is for you. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to SG Riders, hit the like button, and turn on the bell icon, because on this channel, we bring you real, useful, and powerful scooter content. Today, we are talking about a scooter that is not for show, but for serious work. This is the Zelio Logix Electric Scooter. So watch this video till the end, because this scooter can change the game for delivery riders and small businesses. High voltage. What is Zelio Logix? The Zelio Logix is not a normal electric scooter. This is a cargo electric scooter, specially designed for delivery, logistics, and daily heavy use. If you are doing food delivery, parcel delivery, grocery supply, business deliveries, then this scooter is made for you. It focuses on load, durability, and low running cost, not fancy speed. Delivery truck design and build quality. The design of the Zelio Logix is simple, strong, and practical. You get a heavy-duty metal body, a wide and strong carrier area, strong frame built for daily rough use, stable riding posture for long hours. This scooter is built like a work machine, not a showroom model. The tires are designed to handle weight in bad roads, and the suspension setup keeps the scooter stable even with load. Gear, motor, battery, and performance. Now let's talk about performance. The Zelio Logix comes with BLDC electric motor, smooth and silent power delivery, made for low speed but high efficiency riding. Top speed is kept limited, which is perfect for city delivery work. Battery options depend on the variant, but the main focus is good daily range, low charging cost, easy maintenance. Once fully charged, it can easily handle daily delivery routes without stress. Package load capacity, biggest highlight. This is where the Zelio Logix really shines. It offers a high payload capacity, which means you can carry heavy parcels. You can do multiple deliveries in one trip. Less trips equals more profit. For delivery riders, this directly means money bag, more earnings, fuel pump, zero fuel cost, wrench, very low maintenance. This scooter is built to work all day, every day. Locked with key features and safety. Even though it's a cargo scooter, Zelio Logix still offers useful features. Digital display, keyless start, anti-theft system, mobile charging port, side stand alert, strong braking system. Everything you need for daily professional use is included. Money with wings, price and running cost. The best part? The Zelio Logix is very affordable compared to petrol scooters. Low purchase price. Almost zero running cost. No petrol, no oil, no engine headache. For delivery riders, this scooter can recover its cost very fast. White heavy checkmark, final verdict. So if you are looking for a reliable electric delivery scooter, strong build, high load capacity, low cost operation, then the Zelio Logix electric scooter is a smart business choice. Bell outro, subscribe. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and once again, subscribe to SG Riders for more electric scooter and bike content. Comment below and tell us. Backhand index pointing right, would you use this scooter for delivery work or business? Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you in the next video. SG Riders, ride smart, earn smart. Rocket high voltage.